Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got B5E43 Taco Bell. Lorny. Alright, earlier today my camera didn't seem to record anything. I'm not sure why. So all the days footage was all the days pickups were not recorded.
Another one name, sir?
Lorny?
Lorny.
Yes.
So sorry? For Laboni?
Yes.
Labone?
Lorne.
Oh, Lorny.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Okay.
It's gonna be nice shot.
All right. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Yep. You too. All right. So the only problem with these zippers is they're not as quick accessing as you may want. So it's the one challenge I kind of think I have when I'm dealing with those. That fact there. All right, let's see where else we need to go. I think it's over to McDonald's. Where are we at here? Verify order. 2 items, 1 drink.